Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Dodge Durango GT all-wheel drive. Stock number E1690P. 21,000 miles on this Durango, comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000 mile maximum care coverage. This Durango seats 6, leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row, heating and air conditioning to make sure everyone's comfortable, and those middle row buckets are also heated. Seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that also seats 2. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, backup camera, and rear parking sensors for additional safety. Power liftgate for convenience. 50-50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This GT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. And start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, paddle shifters for the 8-speed automatic transmission, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air, as well as heated seats and heated steering wheel. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And as of course with the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. That 8-speed automatic transmission. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Durango has a 3.6 liter V6, 295 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.